In today's world, consumers and businesses alike are now more conscious on how our actions and choices impact the world and planet. In this video, I'm proud to share Pivot Energy's mission and how we act on it from multiple angles to better our environment, our people, and our local communities. Hi everyone, I'm Kacie. Welcome to Going Solar with Pivot Energy, where we post weekly videos on commercial solar, financing, tax benefits, community solar, and more to help you stay updated on all things solar. Today, we're all about sharing who we are, what we stand for, and how we're taking action to improve our world. Okay, so let's start with what we even do here at Pivot Energy. Pivot Energy is a turnkey commercial solar and community solar provider based here in sunny Denver, Colorado. Our company vision is to be a leader in the battle against global warming, doing our part to make distributed generation a major part of the solution. We act on our vision through our mission, which is to accelerate the shift to clean energy communities throughout the nation by developing financing, servicing commercial, community solar, and energy storage projects. We also operate on a triple bottom line philosophy, where we work to better people, planet, and profit. We took our dedication to the good of people, planet, and profit even further by becoming a certified benefit corporation, or B Corp for short. So we don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. Now let's look a little closer at how we live out our mission. Pivot Energy is a solar company. Our main service is to develop on-site commercial systems and community solar gardens. This directly supports our goal of battling against global warming by accelerating the shift to clean energy in communities throughout the nation. And I'm not trying to brag, but I'm pretty good at what we do. This year, we completed 116 projects across 9 states, equaling the usage of over 8,879 homes. The clean, renewable electricity produced from our projects will offset over 74,143 metric tons of CO2 from polluting our Earth. While CO2 exists naturally in our atmosphere as part of the carbon cycle, human-related emissions are responsible for the increase that occurred in our atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution. CO2 is the primary greenhouse gas emitted through human activities in the US, with the leading culprit being the combustion of fossil fuels, like coal, natural gas, and oil. According to the EPA, in 2019, combustion of fossil fuels to generate electricity was the second leading source of CO2 emissions in the nation, contributing to about 31% of total US emissions. One way that residences and businesses can make an impact and reduce their carbon footprint is by, guess what? Choosing solar. Solar is completely clean, emission-free form of power generation. When you decide to install a rooftop system or subscribe to community solar, you are contributing to a better planet for generations to come. Our team is passionate about helping folks transition to clean energy. It's literally the reason we exist as a company. To date, we have developed or financed more than 830 projects across 18 states for some of the most high-profile commercial solar customers in the country. If you want to learn more about how on-site solar or community solar works, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. And when you're done with this video, of course. We created this channel for all of you who are interested in solar or community solar to have access to a trusted, reliable source of information on the industry, how to go solar, and the tax and financial benefits. Check out some of our other videos listed here in the description. Okay, moving on to the next way we support our mission, policy work. We believe in creating policies that expand programs and give all Americans access to clean local energy. Policy engagement is one of the most impactful things that we can do as a company to combat the climate crisis. In 2020, we engaged in several exciting developments in New Mexico. We participated in a Senate working group alongside local and tribal governments, utilities, and other solar companies, and average citizens to seek consensus on key elements to building an inclusive and successful community solar program. This working group's findings were presented to 3 legislative committees in the fall of 2020. We are proud to say that as of March 2021, the Community Solar Act passed the New Mexico legislature by an overwhelming majority and will soon be signed into law. This bill will not only save New Mexicans money on their electricity, but will also create thousands of local jobs, hundreds of millions of dollars in local economic development, and generate millions in annual tax revenue for the state. Pivot also worked as part of the local Solar for All group to help fund and develop an innovative new grid modeling tool that optimizes resource planning across transmission and distributed networks. This model found that ramping up both local and storage, as well as as utility-scale solar and wind, is the way to maximize cost savings and unlock the path to the lowest cost grid. We are looking forward to continuing to explore policies and tools that expand access to distributed renewable energy. When solar wins, we all win. As a certified B Corp and triple bottom line company, we make every decision with our community and planet in mind. This is why we provide more than just clean energy to the local communities that host our solar projects. We believe that we can inspire the next generation of clean energy workers and advocates by supporting local organizations, conducting site tours, and other educational opportunities. As part of our Black Hills Energy Award, Pivot donated $50,000 to the Pueblo Hispanic Education Foundation, PHEF. This money will go to at least 20 different Pueblo-based students to pursue energy-related education and job training at their local Colorado schools and universities. Pivot and PHEF have also committed to set up an educational site tour and host local community solar projects, or in a classroom setting, as a means of inspiring and educating students about careers in renewable energy. This year, Pivot also made a $90,000 donation to help Bright Futures, a Weld County-based program to help students pursue post-secondary education or job training. Bright Futures estimates that the grant will benefit as many as 30 students pursuing additional education and workforce training opportunities. Employees also help direct company donations through our employee match program, where Pivot matches donations to charitable causes up to $500 per employee. Our employees participated in this benefit at a rate of 63%. In comparison, the national average of participation is just 10%. With our employee match program, scholarships, and other donations, Pivot's charitable giving totaled over $200,000 for 2020, far exceeding any amount ever donated in the past. This is indicative of our belief that as our success as a company grows, so should our community impact. Okay, I know I just talked a lot about ourselves, but I'm just so proud of the impact that we've made to our planet, policies, and communities. For more information, you can visit pivotenergy.net. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video about our mission and all the ways we carry it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified for when we post our latest videos on clean energy solutions. The team and I here at Pivot Energy are dedicated to making solar energy solutions accessible and providing you with everything you need to know to make an informed decision. If you have questions, leave your questions in the comments below or email me them with my email listed below. Thanks for tuning in to Going Solar with Pivot Energy. See you next time.